Violet, are you pushing your baby? Yeah. What are you doing with the baby? Hmm? Yeah. Baby's in the stroller. Here, let's sit her up. There you go. Now you can push her. There you go. Bye. Where are you taking your baby? Huh? Where are you taking her, V? Whoa, baby! Where are you taking the baby? Bye, baby. Say bye, Uncle Brian and Leah and Isaac. Say bye. Violet. Bye-bye. There you go.